Just got back from taking my BMW on a nice summer drive and noticed it picked up a weird rattling noise coming from the exhaust. Obviously at first I thought the worst. Luckily it was a $10 fix from a clip I picked up on Amazon. There's two ways to fix it. The first way that I seen on the internet was just squeezing the clip in between the actuator and the exhaust valve. I wasn't as successful with this method, but I'll show you both ways and the way that worked best for me.
Let's try this.
Alright, second attempt, except this time I'm loosening the bolts on the back of the actuator just to make more space for the clip to fit. Now just to make a slight adjustment to make sure the clip is sitting firmly inside of the actuator on both sides. I hope this video helped you repair your exhaust rattle. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.